before we get started on the next part of the build, and that was the lower body, which is what we're building today, I just want to make like a quick apology here. Remember what I said in my part 1 video, where in part 2, which is what we're at here, I said that we will be building the waist and the legs. Well, I accidentally said waist and arms, but we've already built the arms, and now we're building the legs. So that was just a little mistake that I made. But I did let y'all know in the, well, I actually reminded y'all in the description in part 1. So now we can get to building the lower body. So the first part that we're going to build for the lower body is the waist. So first off, we need this here, and this piece here taps into a hole here and a slot here. And this piece here goes in 2 holes here and 2 tabs here. Yeah. Okay, so next we need this, and we also need poly caps, and they are PCN. Which are these here. And they go in these holes using these pegs here. Then we take the back piece here, and it goes in these 2 pegs here and these 2 holes here. There we go. Then we also need this front skirt piece, and it goes in this slot here and this bar right here. And it goes in these pegs here and these holes here. And we also need the side skirts here. So you take these here, and these tap into these holes and these two slots here. Same on the other side here. And you just tab them on. And there you have the torso all done. So now for the legs. First, what we need is this piece here, and the polycap that we need is PCC. Which is this one here. And it goes in these two grooves here and these two pegs here. Oh. I accidentally did this wrong. There we go. There we go. So now we're going to take the foot here, and it goes in these holes and these pegs here. And the bottom part of the foot goes in these holes and these pegs here. And there's a foot. And now for the leg, we want to take these here, this here, and also this here. And the polycaps that we need is PCI and PCF. PCF is here, and PCI is here. And PCF goes on the bottom here. And PCI goes on the top. Yeah. Then you take this here and attach it here. Then take this piece and snap it together. Then take this piece here and tab it in this poly cap here and this peg here. Next, we need these two here. And the poly caps that we need is PCJ and PCB. PCB is here. And PCJ is here. And PCB goes in a peg here and a hole here. And PCJ goes on here and a hole here. And then you just peg it together. And as for the knee here, we want to take these pieces here and tab them in these pegs and these holes here. Same for the other side. Then take this yellow piece here and it goes in. I just had something on my finger. take this yellow piece here, and it goes into a slot here. And the hole is right here. Then take the ball joint here and plug it in this poly cap here, and the peg. Then we plug in the leg here. Oh. And plug in the foot here. And there we have a leg. And I've already built the other leg. So now we pop on the legs. Then we take the upper body here and plug it in using this peg and this poly cap here. And there we go. We now have the Gundam completed, but of course he needs his accessories, but we're going to save that for part 3, so stay tuned for part 3.